In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate emails in automation in ActiveCampaign. We'll walk through a simple, repeatable process you can use anytime you want to reuse an existing email inside one of your automations without rebuilding it from scratch. This is especially helpful if you have a series of similar emails or if you want to test small variations while keeping your original version intact. First, log into your ActiveCampaign account and head over to the main dashboard. On the left-hand side, look for the section labeled Automations. This is where all of your automated workflows live. Go ahead and click Automations to open the list of automations you've already created. Next, find the specific automation that contains the email you want to duplicate. When you locate it in the list, you'll see an option to edit that automation. Click the Edit button next to that automation. This will open the Automation Builder, where you can see the full canvas with all of your triggers, actions, and email steps laid out visually. Now, on the canvas, locate the email action block you want to copy. This is usually represented as an email icon or a block labeled with the name of your email. On that email action block, look for a small down-facing caret, often shown as a little V next to a View or Edit button. Click that down caret to open a small drop-down menu with more options. In this menu, you'll see choices such as Copy to a new campaign or Copy to a new action. Select the option that best matches what you want to do. If you choose Copy to a new campaign, ActiveCampaign will create a new reusable campaign email based on the one you selected. If you choose Copy to a new action, it will duplicate that email action directly within your automation, which is great for quickly reusing the same content in multiple steps. After selecting your copy option, you may be prompted to choose where this new email should go on the automation canvas. In that case, look for the plus icon, usually represented by a plus symbol. Click the plus icon at the point in the automation where you want the duplicated email to appear. This tells ActiveCampaign exactly where to insert the new email action. Once the duplicated email is placed, you can open it, adjust the subject line, tweak the content, or change settings as needed without affecting your original email. That's all you need to efficiently duplicate emails in your ActiveCampaign automations.